In the outdoors especially, you should never judge a book by its cover. While certain species that have the spookiest appearances, like cellar spiders, bats, and garden snakes, are not dangerous, other animals that are frequently thought of as friendly and adorable are among the deadliest on the planet. Unexpectedly dangerous to both people and other animals are even some of the cute animals we assume to be peaceful. It's difficult to resist some of the incredibly cute ones that are available, but on occasion, it is necessary to resist. An animal is not necessarily safe to touch just because it has large, endearing eyes and fur that appears to be as soft as freshly fallen snow. Cuteness may sometimes be dangerous. Hello and welcome everyone to World's Best. Here we try to give the best virtual experience of different amazing things through our channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the cute animals that are deadly. Just sit back and stick to the end of the video to get all the necessary details about it. So before you do something silly, like try to pet an animal that can take your hand off with one rapid bite, be cautious, beware, and know what you're getting into. The top 10 cutest animals that can kill you are listed below. Let's deny them the opportunity. So how can you protect yourself when they attack you? And why are they so furious? And does the zoo represent them? Let's begin with number 1, slow loris. These diminutive beings resemble miniature Ewoks and are roughly the size of a teddy bear. That is the cutest thing ever. But if you see one, keep your distance. Even though babies appear to like being picked up and held, the likelihood is high that the exact reverse is true, and the poison in their bites has a short time to kill. Number 2, polar bear. Fluffy, white, and utterly lethal. The polar bear is a predator, just like the majority of bears. It's a good thing that they are rarely observed living near people. These creatures will follow you for miles before attacking and devouring you. Worse still, when they begin to eat you, you might not even be dead. Don't get too close. Number 3, leopard seals. Nearly too adorable are leopard seals. You might want to reach out and touch them because of their smooth skin, especially if you see them playing in the water. But don't fall for it. These men are combative. Even though one bite won't necessarily kill you, it can still permanently harm you. They have been known to attack researchers who get a little too close. Number 4, Komodo dragons. Not everyone indeed finds Komodo dragons to be adorable, but those of you who do should exercise caution. One bite from these reptiles can be fatal. One of the deadliest substances known to man is saliva. Bacteria are involved, not simply toxins. With just one bite, it travels from the dragon's jaws into your blood. Bit typically responds to requests within a day. Not at all. Number 5, swan. They are lovely, graceful, and romantic. It's likely that if you see one swimming in a lake, you will want to feed it and perhaps even touch it. Don't. They view people as a threat, just like the majority of wild creatures. They will approach you if you feed them, and when they do, they often bite, particularly if you are carrying food that they believe is theirs. Stay back, please. Number 6, panda. They are so adorable that it's simple to forget that they are bears. True, they eat primarily bamboo, but it is only their diet. Ailuropoda melanoluca, usually referred to as the giant panda or just a panda, is a bear species that is unique to China. Its striking black and white coat and plump body give it a distinctive look. To distinguish it from the red panda, a nearby mustaloid, the term big panda is occasionally used. Although the giant panda is a member of the carnivore order, more than 99% of its diet consists of bamboo shoots and leaves. In the wild, giant pandas occasionally consume other grasses, wild tubers, or even meat from birds and animals. Like any other bear, they will attack if they feel threatened. They will bite you if they think that you are a threat, and they will continue biting you until they decide that you are no longer a threat, even if doing so results in you losing your life. Number 7, dolphins. Each of us has an idealized image of swimming with dolphins as some sort of miraculous experience that every person should have at least once in their lifetime. However, stick to dolphins that have had professional training. Sometimes the killing of wild dolphins lacks a specific and obvious reason. You can be playing with them one moment and then feeding them dinner the next. It is best to see these marine creatures from a distance. Number 8, moose. They have a cute, cuddly, slightly silly appearance. Don't justify them to charge you though, if you see one. The largest and heaviest extant species in the deer family, the moose in North America or elk in Eurasia, belongs to the New World deer subfamily. Antlers on adult male moose are typically large and palmate, or open hand-shaped, while those on most other deer species are dendritic or twig-like. In the northern hemisphere's temperate to subarctic climes, moose often live in boreal forests, temperate broadleaf forests, and mixed forests. Over time, the moose's range has shrunk due to hunting and other human activity. Some of its former habitats have seen its reintroduction. These animals are enormous, and if they believe you are pursuing them, they will fall on you with all of their might. They can simply trample you to death without even biting you. Nice idea, huh? Number 9. Kangaroo. What could be so terrifying about a leaping, hairy animal that carries its young in a pouch? The kangaroo is a member of the Macropodidae family of marsupials, macropods, meaning large foot. The word is frequently used to refer to the red kangaroo, which is the largest species in this family, as well as the antilopine kangaroo, eastern gray kangaroo, and western gray kangaroo. Australia and New Guinea are home to kangaroos. The Australian government believes that in 2019, 42.8 million kangaroos were living in Australia's commercial harvest zones, down from 53.2 million in 2013. These creatures can be trained. Wait a minute, kangaroos don't directly have an issue with people, but they do with our dogs. Don't allow your puppy to get too close to one of these creatures if you're out walking your dog and you see one. People frequently get trapped in the center of the kangaroo's onslaught. And number 10, lions. A huge cat of the species Panthera, the lion is indigenous to Africa and India. Its physique is broad-chested and strong, and it has round ears, a small, rounded head, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a noticeable mane because they are sexually dimorphic. It's a sociable animal that organizes into pride. Several adult males, associated females, and cubs make up a lion's pride. Although lions are cute, they can also be extremely dangerous. They are referred to as the king of the jungle for a reason. There's not a whole lot that you can do if they decide they want you for supper. Therefore, keep your distance and leave the area quickly if you spot one before it spots you. This enormous cat will murder you. It's not like the cat that you have at home. It's not always possible to be both cute and approachable. Before you touch that animal, stop and think. Additionally, keep in mind that not all dangerous creatures are furry. Not all the animals want to be friends with the humans, whether they have feathers, scales, or sleek skin. Even those who do are not to be trusted. Some animals have diseases that humans would like not to come in contact with. So are these animals harmful to the ecosystem? Or are these advantages to the biological reserve? What are your views on this? With that, I would like to conclude this video, hoping that you liked and enjoyed it. However, keep an eye on the channel as new videos will be posted soon. If you enjoy our content, make sure you hit the like button. And also, share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section down below. Subscribe to the channel to get our videos regularly. And don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, peace.